Yo, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'll show you how to remove your background without using a green screen. Let's say for instance, you took a video and you don't have a green screen behind you. That's like a green piece of material behind you. So it's very simple. I'm just going to show you how to do that real quick in less than 2 minutes. We're all done. So the first thing we need to do is go to your CapCut, open up your CapCut. So from here, we have our CapCut. All we should be doing right now is trying to put in our footage. And for this tutorial, I'll just go ahead and use a random stock video that I got from the internet. So as you can see, this is the stock image or stock video. And then all we need to do right now is click on the image. That is after you've imported. You drag to the timeline, you drag it to the timeline here. And while you have this clicked, see, I'm going to show you something. If I click out, you can see this is not selected. But when I click in, you can see this option comes up for me. Maybe on your end, yours might be on basic, but make sure you locate video. Under video, you go to cutout. And then from cutout, you go all the way to this place that says auto cutouts. So this will actually try to cut out only human figures automatically. No need to try to adjust anything. Go ahead and just check this on, put it on, and it's going to show you processing. It's going to process from 0 to 100. Depends on how strong your computer is. That's how much time it will take for this to actually, render. So let's take a look at this. You can see now that the background of this video is actually out. Okay, guys, this is pretty much everything you need to know about removing a background without a green screen on your CapCut PC. Okay, I'm going to end this video here. If this video actually helped you, go ahead, drop a like, consider subscribing to the channel because I'll be bringing out more content like this for you guys to help you guys. Okay, peace out.